Here we have the first official look of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a design masterpiece, revealed in fresh new dummy images. China-originated dummies of the upcoming Samsung flagships are up on sale, with stunning images brought to attention by Roland Quandt. Dummy images show Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in silver and black color hues. There will be more standard and online exclusive color choices at the time of the official launch. Titanium blue is said to be the signature color of the flagship. The Galaxy S25 Ultra replicates Samsung's signature design aesthetics. The biggest change is obviously in the frame, those sharp corners turned slightly rounded. The overall look is simply boxy, just the sharp corners no longer appear. The upcoming smartphone is slightly taller and has a reduced width. The screen could be 6.86 inch, a minor increment over the S24 Ultra, but results in significant refinements in terms of handling and usability. The frame's right side will feature 3 buttons, 2 for volume adjustment and 1 multifunctional key. The keys will match the color of the S25 Ultra's frame made of titanium material, which is lightweight and durable. The rear side features 3 large and 2 little rings, consisting of 4 image sensors and a TOF lens. The rings also adopt a Fold 6-like circular texture design, while the outer ring will likely continue to maintain the appealing look. Between the 2 little sensors, there's an LED flash to be used during nighttime photography. All rings are located at the top left of the rear panel in a vertical arrangement. Samsung is expected to introduce the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra in the first quarter of the next year. It is reported that the Unpacked event could be held on January 22 in San Francisco, United States. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra has been revealed in real life for the first time, offering a glimpse at both its refined design and exclusive color option. Following the viral spread of photos showing a dummy unit of the device last week, a new video has now emerged, revealing what appears to be a working prototype of the phone. The hands-on video was posted on Reddit, and although the post is titled Galaxy S24 Ultra Definitely, the device in the clip shows off the rumored rounded corner design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The leak has also been corroborated by prolific tipster Ice Universe, who confirmed on X that the device in the footage is indeed the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Another leaker who posts a lot of Samsung leaks, Chunbai, has also confirmed that the device in the video is indeed the real Galaxy S25 Ultra. You can check out the leaked clip. The corners of the leaked Galaxy S25 Ultra unit, which appears to have a glossy metallic finish, are obviously different from the pointy ones on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung's rounded design is believed to complement the new One UI 7 UI, which has also adopted several rounded elements. Samsung's signature camera setup appears at the back of the phone. Strangely enough, we don't see the rumored camera rings surrounding the lenses. These camera rings also appeared on alleged dummy units of the Galaxy S25 Ultra that leaked a few days back. At that time, Ice Universe had said that the design of the actual S25 Ultra coming to market could be very different from the leaked dummy design. Unfortunately, the new clip doesn't show much more of the alleged Galaxy S25 Ultra or its user interface. It's highly possible that the device we see here is yet another prototype of the phone and not the final version that's expected to launch in January. What do you think of the phone's rounded design? Let us know in the comments section. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a game changer. More RAM, innovative charging tech. This might just be the upgrade we've all been waiting for. What? Is it all too good to be true? Let's dive into the juicy details. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is making waves even before its launch, and the latest rumors are absolutely spicy. First up, the RAM situation. Samsung could be going big this time. Reports suggest that both the 512 gigs and 1 TB variants of the S25 Ultra might come with a whopping 16 gigs of RAM. That's right, 16 gigs. The last time we saw this much RAM in a Samsung flagship was back in 2021 with the S21 Ultra. Since then, we've been capped at 12 gigs, even with the higher storage models. But the excitement doesn't end there. For those opting for the base 256 gigs model, don't worry. It's likely to come with 12 gigs of RAM. And here's more good news. The standard Galaxy S25 may also get a RAM boost, jumping from 8 gigs to 12 gigs, while the Plus model is expected to maintain 12 gigs across the board. However, let's keep our expectations tempered until Samsung makes an official announcement, because no one wants heartbreak over unconfirmed specs. Now let's talk about charging, because the Galaxy S25 series could be revolutionizing how we power up our devices. Last week, the European models of the Galaxy S25 Trio popped up at the FCC, confirming wireless charging. But here's the twist. It might not be the same old tech. According to leaks, the S25 series could support the next-gen Qi 2 charging standard. What makes Qi 2 special? It introduces two profiles. The extended power profile, offering 15-watt charging without magnets, and the magnetic power profile, which uses magnets for alignment and attachment. Think Apple's MagSafe, but tailored for Android. So will Samsung go all in with magnetic power profile, or could it stick with non-magnetic K2? Whatever the case, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is looking like a serious contender for the most innovative phone of 2025. More power, smarter charging, and all-around premium vibes. It's safe to say the hype is real. But will it live up to expectations? Stay tuned because the answers are just around the corner. Are you ready for what Samsung has in store? Drop your thoughts below. Recently, the Galaxy S25 Ultra and its 200-megapixel sensor were spotted on camera FE5, giving us a detailed look at its camera specifications. The US carrier variant of the Galaxy S25 Ultra appeared in the camera FE5 listing, showcasing details such as focal length, aperture, resolution, and more. Here's a closer look at the data. Lens 23.2mm, 35mm equivalent, provides a standard focal length for balanced perspective and sharpness. 6.3mm actual refers to the lens's physical focal length. f1.7 aperture enhances low light performance and controls depth of field effectively. EIS, electronic image stabilization, ensures stable video recording and reduces image blur. Field of view. 75.7 horizontal captures wide landscapes effortlessly. 60.5 vertical complements the horizontal fold for a balanced composition. 1x magnification factor indicates no optical zoom for the primary lens. Sensor area 71.9mm 2 provides ample light gathering capability, enhancing image quality. Pixel size 2.4mm indicates large individual pixels for better detail and reduced noise. Image output maximum resolution 4080 x 3060 delivers 12.5 megapixel images through 16:1 pixel binning. Picture format JPEG/DNG supports both compressed and RAW formats for versatility. Focusing auto/manual focus offers flexibility for precise focus adjustments. Infinity focus ideal for capturing distant subjects. Minimum focusing distance 0.10 meters allows for detailed close-up shots. Hyperfocal distance 4.86 meters maximizes depth of field for sharp focus over a wide range. Exposure and ISO manual exposure range 1/11/977 to 1/6 seconds covers both ultra-fast and relatively slow shutter speeds. ISO range call 3200 provides adaptability to various lighting conditions. Maximum analog ISO 1500 ensures good detail retention in high-sensitivity settings. The primary camera of the S25 Ultra features a 23.2mm equivalent focal length and an f1.7 aperture. By default, the sensor produces 12.5 megapixel images at a maximum resolution of 4080 x 3060 pixels with a sensor area of 71.9mm 2. While the listing doesn't explicitly confirm the full resolution of the 200-megapixel sensor, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to debut Samsung's updated ISOCELL HP2 image sensor, with improvements over its predecessors. In addition to the 200-megapixel primary sensor, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to include a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, Samsung Gen 3, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens, IMX754 with 3x optical zoom and a 50-megapixel periscope lens, IMX854, offering 5x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.